How to call Hotels.com's customer service. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can call customer service on Hotels.com. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're having issues with your trips, or maybe you're having issues with your bookings. Either way you want to simply call the customer support and then get in touch with them. Well, to do this, all you have to do is simply open the Hotels.com application over here. Once you launch the Hotels.com app, what you want to do is just tap the account icon, which is at the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon, you're going to be redirected to your profile page over here, and then when you scroll down, you'll find a section that says how can we help you, and it is labeled as I need help managing my booked trip. All you have to do is just tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll have two options, which is to either call the Hotels.com, which is exactly what we're looking for in this video, and the other is the Visit Online Help Center. So what you want to do is just tap the call Hotels.com button over here, and then it'll ask you to select a phone app or the Viber app or maybe a WhatsApp or any other communication app. When it's selected, you'll have the number pop up at your display. So this number may not be same in yours, because depending upon the region that you're trying to call them from. In my case, it's selected in United States. Yours could be selected in the UK, Australia, Canada. So you want to make sure to actually call your own respective customer support numbers. That is it for today's video on how you can simply call customer service on Hotels.com. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.